mariwe, imi mariwe, imi mariwe, imi mariwe, imi mariwe, mariwe. And hatred, Lord, in this world, the one that you made for us to live in. So many people are dying, so many people are struggling. Lord, where are you? Where are you? Oh, Lord, teach us to love, teach us to thank, teach us to care for each other. Without love, we are doomed. Without love, mariwe, imi mariwe, zichana kariniko.
Zago.